Global share markets have been waiting for some time to see what the US Federal Reserve will do in terms of their second quantitative easing program. Overnight, they delivered on this expectation with a $600 billion infusion of money in the stimulus package. The attempt is really to try and buy longer-term bonds in an attempt to drive down interest rates in general. This will try to help out households in the US which have been struggling with high unemployment levels and low retail spending levels. Expectations from the Federal Reserve were for a $500 billion package. So the fact that this is slightly higher than most were anticipating may put the US dollar under some pressure. I wouldn't be surprised to see the Kiwi dollar strengthen slightly from current levels. The Kiwi is continuing to trade very strongly against the US dollar, and on Thursday morning is trading at 77.60 against the US and has strengthened further against the pound and is currently trading at 48.20. On Thursday, we are expecting to see New Zealand unemployment figures released. Unemployment is currently sitting at 6.8% here in New Zealand. While we have recently seen some improvements in wage inflation in terms of the New Zealand economy, we aren't expecting to see a big improvement in unemployment levels for some time yet. New Zealand households are still suffering under the weight of a recession over the past few years, and the housing market has been very soft through the winter months. Retail spending is also down, and households in general are looking pretty cautious at the present time. This is one reason why households are looking to repay debt as opposed to spend more money. This is also a reason why we aren't expecting to see strong economic growth here in New Zealand through the medium term. New Zealand wool prices continue to look very, very strong. Over the past week, the 35 micron indicator price that we analyse at ASB has increased once again and has been increasing over the past couple of months. Global fibre prices in general have been very strong over the past few months, and this is a good reason why wool prices continue to look very good. Over the past 24 hours, cotton prices out of the US have increased once again and are now indicating that they are reaching 140 US cents per pound. This is very, very high levels. The Chinese market, which makes up around 40% of the global demand, has been through a tough production period and are now looking that demand will exceed supply in the current season. This has come at a time when stockpiles are at very, very low levels and are estimated to be down to a 14-year low. Cotton prices in general are looking strong over the next few months, and this will be key to a continuation of strong wool prices here in New Zealand. We aren't expecting to see any big drops in wool prices anytime soon.